In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make formulas in Google Sheets. Whether you're new to Google Sheets or looking to brush up on your skills, we've got some straightforward steps for you. To start, let's dive into the world of spreadsheets and tackle some basic formulas. First things first, open a Google Sheet. If you don't already have one ready, you can easily create a new spreadsheet by navigating to Google Sheets through your Google Drive or by typing Google Sheets into your web browser. Once you have your sheet open, we're ready to go. Now direct your attention to cell B3 on your sheet and click on it. Here we are going to input our very first formula. Go ahead and type in as B4 plus B5. What this does is sum up the values in the cells B4 and B5, so we can add them together with ease within your spreadsheet. Do you have that typed in? Great. Next, simply press the Enter key, and you'll see the result of your formula appear in cell B3. Let's continue our journey with another formula. Move over to cell C3 and click on it. This time type XC4 C5 into the cell. This formula will perform a subtraction, taking the value in C5 and subtracting it from the value in C4. As before, hit the Enter key, and the result of this subtraction will be displayed in cell C3. Now, on to the next formula demonstration. Click on cell D3. Once you're there, go ahead and type in XD4 D5. This formula will multiply the values found in cells D4 and D5. Don't forget to press Enter to see the outcome of this multiplication appear. All right, let's hop over to cell E3. In this cell, our focus is on division, so type in E4 E5. This formula divides the value in E4 by the value in E5. An important tip here is to ensure that the denominator, in this case E5, is not 0, as that would result in an error. Press Enter to see the divided value. Moving forward, click on cell F3. Here, we'll experiment with a range by inputting SUM, F4, F8. What this formula does is add together all the values from cells F4 through F8. This is particularly useful when you have a series of numbers you want to sum up. Press Enter and voila, your total sum will appear. Finally, let's finish up with one of the handy features in spreadsheets, calculating the average. Click into cell G3 and enter average G4, G8. This tells Google Sheets to find the mean value of the numbers from G4 to G8. After pressing Enter, the average value will populate in cell G3. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can now efficiently use basic formulas in Google Sheets, saving you time and automating your calculations. Keep practicing, explore more functions, and soon you'll be a Google Sheets expert. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.